Alright guys, 2010 Infiniti G37 CV axle replacement. The rear passenger side. So the CV axle is already out. As you see, that's a different style of CV axle. You're gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws right there. That's a 12 millimeter. The CV axle is out. So all you need to do, remove that nut from the hubcap and remove all those screws. When you remove that, you need to drop the exhaust a little bit and lose that bar. When you do that, the CV axle is going to drop that way, and it's going to give you enough room so you can knock it out from there. You can knock it out from that spindle side, and it's going to go out all the way from that transmission side. But remember, you need to drop off the exhaust a little bit and use that stand to secure the exhaust. It's just like I said, 60 screws, 12 millimeters, and the CV axle is going to come out that way toward the differential. That was a quick guide on that CV axle replacement on 2010 Infiniti G37. Thank you guys for watching.